Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever driven past a stunning estate in the middle of June, only to pass by again in January and find the front yard looking flat, barren, and completely lifeless? This is what I call the winter dilemma. Too many homeowners rely entirely on seasonal blooming flowers and deciduous shrubs for their curb appeal. When the temperatures drop, those plants lose their foliage, leaving behind a tangle of empty branches. But if you look closely at truly high-end, million-dollar properties, you'll notice their landscapes don't suffer this seasonal depression. The secret lies in a carefully curated conifer garden. By designing a yard built fundamentally on evergreen structure, we solve the problem of the boring winter yard entirely. The beauty remains constant, resilient, and unapologetically vibrant 365 days a year. When people hear the word evergreen, they often picture a monotonous wall of identical dark green pine needles. But the reality of conifer landscaping is a rich, dynamic spectrum of color. High-end traditional manicured estates achieve their striking looks through a technique called foliage color blocking. Instead of relying on the temporary pop of a flower petal, we are painting the landscape with the permanent needles and scales of the shrubs themselves. We layer distinct blocks of color, icy blues against electric yellows, and deep forest greens next to bright chartreuse. Because the color comes from the foliage, it is architectural and enduring. This contrast creates a visual tension that is incredibly satisfying to the eye and elevates the entire facade of a traditional two-story brick home. Every masterpiece needs an anchor, a central figure that commands attention and sets the tone for the surrounding elements. In the conifer palette, nothing serves this role quite like a silvery-blue spruce or a blue atlas cedar. The cool, frosty tones of these specific trees create a magnificent contrast against the warm tan siding and multi-toned brown brick of a traditional home. Placing this blue focal point within the sweeping curve of your garden bed instantly establishes a hierarchy in the landscape. It draws the eye in. The silver blue needles catch the bright, clear daytime sunlight in a way that feels almost metallic and luxurious. It's not just a tree, it is a structural pillar of your property's design DNA. Once your icy blue anchor is set, it's time to build the supporting cast. This is where we introduce the extremes of the green spectrum. To make the blue pop, we need warmth, which is introduced through bright chartreuse conical evergreens. These vivid yellow-green structures act like captured sunshine in the yard, glowing even on overcast days. To ground this brightness and keep the design from feeling overwhelming, we flank the space with tall, dark green columnar conifers. This deep, shadowing green provides the necessary negative space, acting as a backdrop that makes the chartreuse and blue leap forward. We then fill the lower plane with dense, perfectly rounded mounded shrubs, alternating between green and yellow shades. The result is a highly manicured, multi-layered tapestry of permanent color. In a traditional estate, the architecture of the house itself is usually defined by straight, rigid lines, prominent front gables, horizontal siding, and crisp, white window trim. To balance this heavy, masculine geometry, the landscape must introduce fluidity. A sweeping, curved garden bed is essential. It softens the hard angles of the brick foundation and creates a sense of movement that leads the eye naturally toward the front entryway. But this curve must be deliberate. The edge separating the dark, rich mulch from the lawn must be sharp, deep, and immaculate. It is this precise meeting of organic curvature and razor-sharp edging that screams million-dollar curve appeal. It shows intention, care, and a mastery of spatial design. Finally, a design this structured demands an immaculate foundation to truly shine. The ground plane is just as important as the upright trees. We utilize a rich, dark mulch to provide a high-contrast base for our vibrant shrubs, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. Beyond the beds, the lawn must be pristine. A bright green lawn, meticulously maintained with fresh mower stripes, acts as the ultimate frame for the conifer garden. Those geometric stripes in the turf echo the manicured, perfectly rounded pruning of the mounded shrubs, tying the formal estate aesthetic together. By committing to this evergreen color palette and flawless maintenance, you aren't just planting a garden. You are building an architectural extension of your home that will turn heads in every season.